The train is a dragon that roars through the dark. He wriggles his tail as he sends up a spark.
Almost every railroad crossing is marked by crossbucks on both sides of the track.
Halfway through, the gate lowered, trapping the truck. Halfway through.
I'm a bit late for work today. Can you tell me a quick way to get there? Thanks.
I think that's a trap.
The train is doing 50 miles an hour when it thunders into the yard and collides with 3 parked locomotives.
Just take a listen.
And I thought, holy shit.
I thought I told you to shut the f*** up last time.
Bro, what the actual
The other engines stay to see the shark. They try to get closer.